Welcome to day 2 of our September Wellness Challenge. This week we are talking about sipping your way to wellness. Yesterday we covered how much water you need to hydrate yourself. We talked about adding a little mineral to our water to help our cells absorb the water and help your body be hydrated. Today we are talking about strategic ways to get your water in. Many people complain that they don't like the taste of plain water, and it gets boring day after day. I want to share one of my favorite ways, especially this time of year, and that is my apple spice water. I started doing this last year, and it really is just amazing. And you can do this, swap it up depending on the season. I use this bottle. You can chop it finer, and that might be better in order to get it out, but I like the look of this. I just get a big straw and I drink right from this. So I put a full apple in, and then I add a cinnamon stick. This is food grade. You want to make sure it's food grade. Not from any other decorator store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. This is a Ceylon cinnamon. I just found this over the weekend from TJ Maxx, so check those out. I like to put some cloves. These are just, you can get this at the grocery store. You want the whole cloves. I just do, pinch. And then I love the flavor of star anise. So I throw that in, and then you're gonna fill this with filtered water. This, I put it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, it just smells amazing. It tastes amazing, and you can refill a couple times during the day, and then you have this amazing blend that I love to take out and put on my stove. I cover it with water and I simmer it. It's a simmer pot, and you really get all your use out of it with the scent of fall. So here's my favorite one. Another great one is if you are not feeling well, someone in your family is sick, you will take citrus, whatever citrus you have. Lemon, lime, and orange is my favorite, and I always add the lime. If you're doing an overnight steep, add that in the morning, because lime has a real bitter taste. So I'll put the lemon and the orange in there, and then I'll just put some lime, because lime also has lots of health benefits. But that's great for your immune system. It's filled with vitamin C. This apple spice is really good to help regulate your blood sugar, and it helps fight inflammation. So this is a great choice this time of year. Whenever we can add in seasonal benefits with our spices and our foods, that's a great choice. So I hope you'll give this a try. If you do, please let me know in the comments. And join me for day 3 for our week-long Sipping Smarter series. Week 1 is all about sipping smarter. So we'll see you tomorrow.